Amazon controls your shipping, Amazon controls your logistics, Amazon controls your customers on Amazon, and now Amazon controls your price. What the actual Amazon has been doing for quite some time now, where not only do they want to control your logistics, not only do they want to control your shipping from A point to B point, not only do they want to control the customer user experience, not only do they want to control the customer data, but they also want to control the price that you are charging the customers as well. Okay, I don't know if you're aware of that, but absolutely that's what they are doing. And it's done through something called Amazon's fair pricing policy. And what that essentially means, so this is the customer facing one, there's others as well, but what it essentially means is this. Amazon has bots that are out there on the interwebs looking for products that are being sold on Amazon. If they find a website with a product for sale that is being sold on Amazon as well, they then want to price match. So they do not want you to offer your products at a lower price than can be found on Amazon. They want them to be fair, okay? Fair. So that means if you're thinking of lowering your price on your website or on any other platform like Etsy or eBay or anything, you can't. You can't. Because if you do, what will happen is you'll get a letter, an email from Amazon saying, hey, this website contravenes our fair price policy. And so we've suppressed your listing until you fix your price, AKA either raise the price what's out there or lower the price on Amazon so that our customers don't go somewhere else to go shopping. That's what it's really all about. It's a monumental pain in the ass because as entrepreneurs, we want to be in control of the price. We want to be in control of the price. Pricing strategy ought to be different across platforms. It absolutely ought to be different, but Amazon doesn't want that. So here's some simple ways to combat that. The first one is to have one UPC barcode that you use on Amazon and a different UPC barcode that you use on Shopify, for instance, okay? And that way the UPC codes are different. So when Amazon's bots go searching, they find a product that's the same, these stocking stuffers, but the UPC codes are different, therefore the products are different. That's the first thing you can do. Second thing, and this is actually just good practice anyway, is to use different images on your Amazon listing than you would use on your Shopify or eBay listing, okay? That's good practice anyway. The reason it's good practice is because Amazon's terms of service for your images are incredibly restrictive, okay? And so on your own website, you get to do what the fuck you want. So you should absolutely do everything you can, what's not terms of service for Amazon, on your website. So your images should be different just because of that. Anyway, so that's the two things. So the images and the barcode, they should be different, okay? If you don't want to do that, and you just want to, and you right now, you're like, oh, I'm selling on two places, how do I get around that? Then the easiest way to get around it is to use coupon codes. And so here is the painted box using coupon codes. And you can see they put the coupon code right in the advert. Okay, so on the website, it's the same price. It's the same price as what's selling on Amazon, fair policy. But if somebody's come to the website via this advert, they get to use a coupon code to get themselves a discount. Okay, that's how you do it. Here's another one. So this is barking heads. You would have seen this a lot. So get X dollars off your first order in exchange for your email address. Okay, that's two with one. Firstly, they get to reduce the cost Great. Secondly, they get their email address. Also great. So that's how they're doing it, all right? So if they're selling on Amazon, they could have the same price, but on their website, you can get a discount. That's how you want to handle it. It's a complete pain in the ass, but it is what it is. That was a video from my regular Monday question and answer session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We're a community of 2,500 e-commerce direct-to-consumer entrepreneurs right around the world with sales of over $50 million and growing. If you'd like to find out more what we do, check out the link in the description. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know you want more information like this, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.